Chai is one of the most iconic beverage in the world, and India is the second largest producer of tea. In India, tea is not just a tea, it's a way of chit chat, it's a way of gupshup with family and friends. It's also a welcoming drink for our guests in India. In India, we mostly use black tea leaves, that is, full fermented tea. So it's strong, aromatic, and stimulating. But there are different varieties of tea available like yellow tea, oolong tea, white tea, green tea. You will be surprised that all these tea comes from the same plant called Camellia sinensis. The color of the tea depends fermentation of tea leaves. The more you ferment, the darker is the color. In India, we also have masala tea that is simply amazing. It's sweet, it has stimulating effect, and the masala goes in the tea is also makes it medicinal. So in India we have masala that is good for cleansing your body. It gives warmth to your body and also helps to boost energy.
For the first time in a while, can't help but love my style. Just caught in the feeling. So much glitter, you can't forget her. A superstar, like ooh. We just get better, our dreams get bigger, and we won't stop. Like ooh. Hey, you've come this far, so dance till the sunrise and throw the confetti like, hey, you know who you are, so dance till the sun.
In India, tea is not just a tea, it's a culture for us.